Welcome to our curated collection of handcrafted wooden wall art and home decor, where timeless craftsmanship meets cozy living. Whether you're drawn to the quiet elegance of natural grain, the history carried in reclaimed timber, or the thoughtful fusion of form and function, you'll find pieces that bring warmth, texture, and personality to every room. Explore artisanal works that are as much conversation starters as they are anchors for your home's atmosphere. Handcrafted wooden wall art transforms ordinary walls into soulful narratives, each piece reflecting the unique life of the tree it came from and the attentive hand that shaped it. From live-edge slabs that preserve the tree's original silhouette to intricate inlays combining multiple woods and metals, these artworks offer a tactile richness and visual depth that manufactured decor can't replicate. Beyond aesthetics, wooden art often embodies sustainability and story. Reclaimed beams, locally milled planks, and ethically sourced hardwoods carry provenance that connects your space to place and practice. Thoughtful finishes, lighting, and placement further amplify the wood's natural warmth, turning simple decor into an enduring expression of home. The process of crafting wooden wall art combines intimate handwork with deliberate restraint. Many artisans begin with drawing or small-scale prototypes, then move to cutting, planing, and sanding, guided by the wood's natural lines. Techniques such as marquetry and inlay introduce contrast and pattern by inserting different woods or materials into the surface. Relief carving brings shadow and tactile depth, and live-edge treatments preserve the organic silhouette of the original tree. These techniques aren't mutually exclusive. An artist might inlay brass into a carved recess or juxtapose a raw live edge against a precisely plain center, creating a tension between the wild and the refined that makes the piece sing on the wall. Finishes are where function meets poetry. A well-chosen oil or wax can deepen color, highlight grain, and protect the surface without masking the wood's natural feel. Natural oils like tung or linseed penetrate and nourish, enhancing warmth and aging gracefully over time. Clear matte or satin varnishes offer protection in higher traffic areas while maintaining a tactile quality. Some makers embrace more dramatic finishes, smoked or ebonized surfaces, color washes, or hand-applied patinas, to create visual contrasts that play off a room's lighting. Ultimately, the finish determines how light behaves on the surface, turning a static object into a living presence that changes subtly with the day. There is something quietly majestic about handcrafted wooden wall art. Every grain, knot, and subtle color variation reads like a line in a personal diary, a record of a tree's life that has been lovingly transformed into an object of beauty. When an artisan takes a slab of wood and imagines its potential, they look for the soul already present in the material, the curve that suggests a horizon, the swirl that hints at a galaxy, and they work to reveal it rather than overwrite it. This approach yields pieces that feel authentic and lived in, ones that invite touch and contemplation. Hung on a wall, such a piece becomes a focal point that anchors a room's atmosphere and communicates a quiet story of place, patience, and provenance. Choosing the right wood is the first creative act in making wall art that warms a space. Hardwoods like walnut, oak, and maple bring depth and resilience, their dense grains offering dramatic contrasts when finished with oils or waxes. Softer species, pine, cedar, or cypress, offer more forgiving textures and unique aromatic notes, which can add a multisensory layer to the decor. Reclaimed wood, with its weathered patina, nails, and historic marks, carries an immediate sense of history and sustainability. Using salvaged timber can be a deliberate design choice that honors conservation and gives each piece a pre-existing narrative that modern finishes simply cannot replicate. Wooden art's ability to warm a space comes as much from its materiality as from the stories embedded within. A piece made from a local felled tree, a reclaimed barn beam, or a driftwood find carries geographic and emotional resonance. It becomes a conversation starter about place, memory, and craft. Guests often respond to such pieces not only for their beauty but for the tangible sense of history and human care they convey. In a modern interior, a handcrafted wooden panel or sculptural wall hanging can soften minimalist lines and introduce a calming, grounding influence that invites people to slow down and notice. Mixing handcrafted woodwork with other materials can amplify its effect. Combining warm woods with metal, such as brass inlays, iron brackets, or copper accents, creates a sophisticated interplay of textures and temperatures. Stone or ceramic tiles inset into wooden frames introduce cool, tactile accents that highlight the wood's warmth. Likewise, fabrics and leather can be integrated through stretched panels or framed textile mounts, producing a layered, curated look that reads as collected rather than staged. These juxtapositions allow wooden art to sit comfortably across a range of styles, from rustic cottages to contemporary lofts. Scale and proportion are essential when placing wooden wall art. A large sculptural piece can take the place of a fireplace mantel or an oversized mirror, defining the vertical plane and commanding attention. Conversely, a series of smaller wooden panels arranged in a grid or staggered gallery can create rhythm and intimacy. Consider sight lines and furniture grouping. Low-profile sofas suit horizontal, elongated panels, while tall cabinets or stairwell walls invite vertical compositions. Pay attention to negative space. Letting the wall breathe around the piece is as important as the object itself, ensuring the wood's warmth doesn't overwhelm but complements its surroundings. Finally, perhaps the most compelling reason to choose handcrafted wooden wall art is the way it changes the feeling of a house into a home. Its tactile warmth, the human imperfections that declare an artisan's hand, and the stories embedded in grain and patina combine to create spaces that feel hospitable and rooted. Whether you're seeking a single signature piece to define your living room, a collection of smaller works to line a hallway, or functional art that organizes and delights, handcrafted wood offers an enduring language of warmth, texture, and quiet elegance, one that invites you and your guests to linger, touch, and remember. Thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe for more handcrafted wooden wall art and home decor, give it a like to support our artisans, and share it with friends who appreciate unique, sustainable pieces. Your support helps small makers grow and brings more warmth and character into homes everywhere. Thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe for more handcrafted wooden wall art and home decor, give it a like to support our artisans, and share it with friends who appreciate unique, sustainable pieces. Your support helps small makers grow and brings more warmth and character into homes everywhere.